Abana A good afternoon, our distinguished guests of honor, political leaders, religious leaders, heads of schools, parents, teaching and non-teaching staff, pupils, ladies and gentlemen. It's my gratitude to warmly welcome you. Sorry for those who have lost their dear ones. Life is a catastrophe full of challenges, but all must be dedicated to God the Most High. Amen. I am Honorable Right Speaker of Uganda, Rebecca Litwala Kadaga. I sincerely feel to share with you a sensitive motion, child abuse. Child abuse is the violation done to a child, denying his or her freedom of peace, liberty, love, and social needs are entitled to her. Child abusers cover the widest area in all abuses, east to west, north to south. Millions and trillions of infants facing untreasured life, violated by their real relatives, mothers, fathers, co-wives, aunties, uncles, maids, society members, name it. We experience less concerned figures of members who have tended destroying child liberty. Many children are seen in tears, corners of street cities, gang groups, robbery teams, drug offenders, gamblers, name it. And all this is a cause of no freedom in homes, schools, communities, to mention but a few. I have made a case study of my very own village, Kawala, where many children are tortured, battered, kidnapped, raped, defiled, rejected, dumped, condemned, rubbished, burnt, poisoned, given out for work, labor slaves, and many provoked by daddies, mummies, aunties, uncles, and others. Few days back, a woman in Nabweru was caught keeping her co-wife's daughter in a toilet for years. A man was caught defiling his real daughter. Adjudicators, directors, our guests of honor, where are we heading? I feel like shedding tears in front of you. Sorry? Because I feel the pain underneath my heart. Kuma TV, Mumaurire, covered with children news. Ugandans, our glory is down. Uganda's name pal is down. patriotic parents ended. Chitalo, awoiko wa inchi wa Uganda. Let's move a step, help a child, build legacy matches with freedom.
Awonno wenulira abaana wano ndabye tulinawo abaana abayimba abazina n'okusinga fresh kid nyingi sirimbye kubanga ebigambo bye newulira tabyatulana bulungi.
You told me to play a game. Did you have no shame? You say not to tell my mother. You say not to tell my dad. You say this was a secret. And if I tell, I will make you sad. Oh, how would you do that to a child who was placed under your care? And how can you live with abusing a child to that person? Who gave you the right to use a child for your dirty games, for your actions of child abuse? Did you show any shame? How can you mess up a child? How can you live with what you have done? Surely you knew it was wrong. For how I am haunted every day. Will you ever feel guilty for hurting a child, raping, torture, and putting us on seats, begging for money and selling drugs? Oh, mothers and fathers of this nation, let us come together and fight child abuse, because we are the blessed generation, the chosen ones, and we are the future.
LMTV Uganda program Totozi Connect banange kiri ku stage abaana bakifa bakuvde amaganda olaba nange banange ingazinye kali atolo kwaye banange eno program Totozi Connect ey'abaana Africa natubera wano nga tuzina amazina nga tusanyusa mu abazadde banange nenga mugamba mutya ogirabye bweto bwe badde banange